We hadn't heard a thing from the jury for much of this week, but that changed today when they asked for clarification on their instructions. Around noon, their note was read in the courtroom, but to our surprise, it wasn't Judge John Robert Blakey on the bench. Instead, his colleague, Judge Edmund Chang, who shared Blakey is unavoidably absent today and asked him to fill in. In addition to requesting 2 more binders of audio transcripts, jurors also wanted guidance on whether bona fide salary is considered something of value. After a bit of back and forth between the attorneys, debating if they should let the jury determine that for themselves, the judge said it was a fair question and offered clarification, telling the jury that salary and wages that come from a normal course of business do not qualify as a thing of value. But if they are obtained by means of bribery, that shouldn't be considered normal course of business. Ultimately reminding the jury it is up to them to determine the facts of this case. Professor of Political Science and Director of the Urban Studies Program at Elmhurst University, Connie Nixon, offers some insight.
It doesn't surprise me that they've asked for clarification on things, that they've asked for additional information. So this may take a while. Even if they're spending 1 day on each count, that's 23 days, and we're only day 8. So I think that we're all anxious and maybe used to getting quicker verdicts, but this just may take some time. And quite frankly, it speaks to the fact that the jury is doing their job, that they're deliberating, that they are taking their job seriously.
This jury was seated in mid-October. They have heard testimony from more than 60 witnesses and listened to dozens of wiretap recordings. They will be back to continue doing their job on Monday morning. Reporting live from the Dirksen Federal Building, Casey Cronus, Fox 32, Chicago.